Shut it.
There. No. No. Go. Go. Go over there.
Damn, my bag.
Look at Bimbo. Go get Bimbo, Bear. Go get Bimbo, Bear.
TJ, where's your blue coat, yo?
I think she took it.
No, she didn't.
Oh, she did.
TJ, go find another coat. You got a fleece on. Look how we all dressed. Or you get pneumonia or something.
Go, Bear. Go get Bimbo, Bear. Go. Go.
Hey, B, tell this boy something for him.
I've been told
this
him.
shit out of him, yo.
I couldn't find nothing.
Well, you don't come outside like that, TJ. Everybody outside have a jacket on, not a fleece, yo.
Alright, guys.
Oh, all right, then. You ain't coming back out?
Yeah, I don't know none of my coats on.
Well, that's on him, then. He don't want to look for none. That's on him, y'all. You the only one to wear them, TJ.
Bear! Fucker. Get over here. Over there. Go over there. People look so adorable.
All y'all out here with jackets on, you gonna come out here with a fucking fleece on. Makes no sense. Jason, you try to tell him that he'd rather come out here with a fleece and 2 shirts on. You stupid, yo. Now that's what somebody got to call you dumb. If everybody outside got a coat on, you got a fleece. That doesn't add up, yo. And the more you tell him, it's like he act like you don't want to hear it. So, hey.
No, Bimbo. No. Go that way.
Oh, y'all fake tackling. Oh, shit.
Gangnam style. Don't give him all that.
Water. My boy Strelo.
There, babe.
What?
Can't see you.
Oh, bro. What's my boy? This is my boy Strelo, a.k.a. Oh, it hurts. Hold on. Hold on, baby. Oh, sorry about that. He went by.
No muerde. Say, what's the matter, Bimbo?
Hey. I thought we was going to the beach this morning.
Dice, para playa, vámonos.
What up, baby? You can jump off the 2nd floor right into the snow, man. It's enough of it. Hey, Baba, you didn't wake me up to go to the beach. Florida? Let me know, man. He got stuck?
Yeah, he was stuck. He's stuck.
Is you recording?
Yeah. Hey, back over there. Good boy.
Hold on, this is my boy Strelo. My name, no more, King Beef. But first, I must dance.
Oh, Lord.
My stomach cold.
You got snow that went in your stomach?
Yeah.
Look at me, Mo. Look at me, Mo. He loves the snow. Look at Bear.
Hey, what up, Dad? Yeah, look at the plows finally coming. We got life.
That ain't even for us.
Fuck me up. Jaden came out here. He said,
He did. He was like, hell no. Bimbo loves the snow right now.
look at Bear.
I know he's stuck.
Come on, Bear. Come on, man.
Bimbo's just licking the snow. Ay, cochito.
Whoa, got a hoodie on that?
You like the snow, puppy? Yeah, that's the snow.
Down. Damn, I'm pissed. bag.
You left it over there.
You want to tie it? Did it fasten that bag? What you about to do? Fasten that bag? I gotta do your front flip first.
Oh, that's me.
Fasten that bag up there. You filmed them?
What you did, TJ?